We are now getting some breaking news on the broadcast. We are learning that Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has gone on to make a big charge. He, in fact, has spoken about illegal cough syrup trade and also gone on to say that banned cough syrups have been seized. And then he also goes on to underline how no deaths have been reported in Uttar Pradesh because of banned cough syrups, assuring tough action against all of these instances, even bulldozer action that is possible. These are really the stunning claims that have been made by the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister while in the assembly. And he's also, in fact, there showing the picture of the accused in this particular case with Akhilesh Yadav. And remember, he's doubling down on his allegations and jibe against Akhilesh Yadav. This time, after the Namune jibe in the assembly, he's also now putting out a picture of Akhilesh Yadav, who's seen in close proximity with the people involved in the cough syrup, banned cough syrup trade. So these are big charges against the Samajwadi Party chief that have been made by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. My colleague Manmohan Rai is now with us on the broadcast. Manmohan, बहुत ही बड़ा एलिगेशन चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ लगा रहे हैं अखिलेश यादव के खिलाफ और ये भी बता रहे हैं कि बहुत ही क्लोजली जानते थे इन लोगों को जो इलीगल कफ सिरप ट्रेड में इन्वॉल्व हैं। किसी तरह का रिस्पॉन्स अभी सामने आया है समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ से?
No, the Samajwadi Party is alleging that the government is slow in taking action against the people involved in the codeine syrup scam, and they allege that no strict action has been taken, no bulldozer action has been taken against the accused. They allege that FIRs have been lodged, but nothing beyond that has been done. On the other hand, CM Yogi Adityanath was very aggressive today in the assembly. He said that the first license for dealing in codeine syrup was issued in 2016. That is when the Akhilesh Yadav government was there in power.
Okay.
So he has alleged that all the main accused have close links with the Samajwadi Party, and the Samajwadi Party has been promoting them.
Okay, Yogi Adityanath is also talking about how these banned cough syrups have been seized. What are the details about that, Manmohan?
So he gave details regarding more than 120 FIRs have been launched and several people have been arrested. But Yogi Adityanath also detailed that the SIT is investigating the whole matter. There's a high-level committee which is looking into it. We believe that the report has also been submitted to the Chief Minister. According to sources, the report has been given to the Chief Minister and further action is slated in the coming days.
All right, thank you so much for that. Manmohan, we will keep an eye on this big story that is emerging out of Uttar Pradesh. Remember,